In a few seconds you will see me and my tracker Chandralata going through the rainforest, but I really missed out to introduce you to her in the video. So that's my introduction to her. Yeah. Go on.
Sinharaja forest have 28,000 acres. Belong to three districts: Karnapura, Matara and Goa. Here living wild pigs, sambars, leopards, elephants in here. During the daytime, can't see.
Yeah.
During the daytime, you can see some monkeys, squirrels, little birds, and some snakes. Back side looks like ashy. So it looks like a moment here. Yeah. Looks like a tattoo.
Wow. The powder of
Yeah.
the... Is it the seeds?
Seeds.
Wow, that's cool. That's a real nature tattoo.
Very tiny lizard.
Tiny lizard.
Yeah. On the leaf. Another lizard. Walk looks like a kangaroo.
So it jumps?
Yeah, jumps. So it hand take up, only legs jump.
Really?
Yeah. So it have a short hands and long legs.
Yes.
So we said kangaroo lizard.
Wow, that's great. That was really quick.
Ginger variety.
Which one?
Ginger.
This?
This red flower.
Wow.
So in the rainforest growing 4 varieties. Wild ginger. 2 varieties flowering on the treetop. 2 varieties flowering near the ground. So this looks like Olympic. Then we said Olympic ginger.
Olympic ginger. Great. And the leaves are the tiny ones next to it?
Leaf,
possible.
This leaf.
This is the leaves,
Yeah.
the big ones.
Yeah.
Great.
Do you know this one?
Mimosa.
Mimosa.
Oh, nice. Oh, so cute. Oi. Great.
After about 5 or 10 minutes, again wake up.
Yes.
It is most sensitive
Great.
plant of the world.
Wow. And such a quick reaction.
Yes. It is giant wood spider.
Giant wood spider.
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. Here everywhere you have fresh water. You can just drink. Do you also have endemic fish species here?
Yes,
I wonder.
Yes. Rasbora. All of this rasbora.
I really have the feeling I could spend here a week and I even wouldn't see most of the animals. And there I can see some orchids in the water also.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing how many animals you can already see just on the main road to the forest.
Yeah.
We are not even inside. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like if you like, and also to subscribe and tick the bell if you want to get more updates. See you next week!